Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Trends Today, where we explore the most exciting and luxurious vehicles in the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, from high-performance beasts to opulent cruisers, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most exclusive and talked about SUVs of the year, the all-new Toyota Century SUV. Introduction to the Toyota Century SUV. The Toyota Century SUV is a groundbreaking addition to Toyota's ultra-luxury lineup, representing a bold departure from the traditional Century sedan. Known for its understated elegance and exclusivity, the Century nameplate has been synonymous with Japan's elite class since its inception in 1967. Now, for the first time, Toyota is bringing this legacy into the SUV market, blending tradition with modernity. The Toyota Century SUV exudes sophistication and presence. Its design is a perfect fusion of traditional Japanese aesthetics and contemporary SUV styling. Key highlights include a commanding front grille with a bold chrome finish, sleek LED headlights inspired by the Japanese Phoenix motif, suicide doors, adding a touch of elegance to entry and exit, a sculpted body with a two-tone paint option for added exclusivity. This SUV is imposing, with a long wheelbase that emphasizes passenger comfort and a wide stance for road presence. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's second to none. The Century SUV is all about the rear seats, offering reclining captain chairs, a footrest, and even a built-in massage function. Premium materials. The cabin features hand-stitched leather, Japanese wood trims, and ambient lighting that exudes serenity. Technology. Equipped with a large infotainment system, a premium sound system, and advanced climate control, every journey feels like a first-class experience. Performance and powertrain. The Toyota Century SUV is powered by a hybrid drivetrain, featuring a 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with an electric motor. This combination delivers both impressive power and eco-friendly performance. Highlights include total output of approximately 406 horsepower, smooth, quiet rides thanks to its elegantly tuned suspension system, all-wheel drive for superior handling and stability. Safety features. Toyota has equipped the Century SUV with its latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision system, advanced parking assistance. The Toyota Century SUV is not just a car, it's a status symbol. Production numbers are limited, and buyers can customize their vehicles extensively. It's priced at approximately $170,000, ensuring its exclusivity in the luxury SUV market. The Toyota Century SUV is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of elegance and prestige. With its luxurious design, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to traditional craftsmanship, Toyota has redefined what a luxury SUV can be. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Toyota Century SUV, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Auto Trends Today. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in the automotive world. Let me know in the comments what you think about Toyota's new flagship SUV. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.